Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share a bit of a haul with you guys and an advent calendar of some sort. Yeah, an advent calendar. So every morning I get up in the morning, I go and wake the little one up and that, and go to the bathroom and start, you know, normal morning things, come back to my room. And there's been these little packages so far in my room, on my bed, or wherever. So I don't know if it's the husband that's done me a advent calendar, or one of the kids, or it could be all five of them. I have no idea. No one's owning up to it. Let's put it like that. So the first thing, I literally couldn't wait, and I opened this off camera. So they're coming in little packages. Like I said, they don't say anything apart from a number. They all said it's for me. So, and obviously it's craft stuff by the looks of it. So no one else likes craft stuff in this house, not as much as me anyway. They like arts and crafts, but they're not obsessed, as they say, like me. But yeah, so in day one was this cute little owl with this little letter. It's like wooden stamp, really pretty, and I thought that's perfect to put on envelopes. You can just colour him up for Happy Mail and things like that, or birthday and things like that. Really cute. So that was like I said, day one, 1st of December. And then I thought I'd do day 2 on camera, because I thought, oh, I better do a video. It'd be quite cool to do a little video of it. So this is day 2. Again, this morning, found this on my bed. So really pretty. Loving the papers. Whoever chose it, I think it's one of the girls that chose the paper. So this is day 2. I thought we would open this together and we can find out what's in day 2. Oh, okay, what is this? Oh, wow, okay. Take it out of here. So on a big magnet sheet. Oh, is that an angel? Oh, I think it is, isn't it? Does look like a big angel. You've got like a harp there. That's a candle. That one, a star. That's a heart. It's a rose. Oh, that's a present. And then this beautiful, sorry guys, I'm hoping I'm in frame. This beautiful angel as a massive die. Oh, that's so cool. That's really pretty. Yeah, I can't wait to try that out on some projects. So that's day 1 and day 2, guys. I will be back, I guess, to share the rest of the days. I don't know. I don't know if there's, you know, everyday one's coming or not. But I'm excited, definitely excited, and I can't wait to see what's in day 3 now. So that's those, and then the next thing I'm going to share is some books with you. Okay, so the first book is this one. It's called Good Spirits, and as far as I know, this is like the Scrooge kind of. Yeah, so he's the ghost of Christmas past, but she's not exactly Scrooge. So I think it's like a modern take on that. So I'm excited to read that one. I don't know if people are into books or not, but I thought I'd share. I absolutely love books, and obviously with Christmas I have been collecting some Christmassy books, so I thought it might give people ideas for like Christmas presents and stuff. If you know someone that's really into books, they make such really lovely gifts. So this one, I think the ones I'm going to show you, I think are from Asda. I think one I did get from, no, I think these were from Asda. So so I picked up that one. Then this one, Holiday Ever After. I'm excited to read that one as well. Again, I don't know much about, I've not heard much about those ones. These I've heard a lot of people talk about these. At first I thought these were standalone, kind of like you can read them in any order. But now I found out that you do need to, there is a certain order, because it will mention characters from the first book in some of these. So as far as I know, I'm going to have to look up which one, because I think the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore could be, I'm not sure, the first one. I need to find out which order they go in, because I know some people were saying they're kind of standalone books, and then other people said it's better to read them in an order because they do mention previous characters. So I do need to find out the order that they go in. So this one anyway is the Pumpkin Spice Calf. So yeah, when Jenny's aunt gifts her the beloved pumpkin spice calf in the small town of Dream Harbour, she jumps at the chance for a fresh start away from her very dull desk job. So yeah, I thought this would be, obviously this is more, I guess, full kind of feel to it, but I'm excited to read this over the Christmas period. And with that one is this one, the Christmas Tree Farm. Like I said, I'm not sure if that one comes first and then this one. I would think that this one comes after this one, because obviously being more full time of year, and then this is Christmas. Obviously it mentions different characters as well. So yeah, I'm excited to try. So I think the ones that you get, I think it is the Pumpkin Spice Calf first, because it's got them kind of, I feel like this could be the order that they're in. Maybe not. So you've got Cinnamon Bun Bookstore, and what does that one say? The Strawberry, a bit small for me to see that one. Something Strawberry Farm, was it? Hopefully they've got them in the back. Oh, the Gingerbread Bakery, the Strawberry Patch Pancake House. Oh, sounds nice. And then, oh, you've got the Daisy Chain Flower Shop. Oh no, that's coming May 2026, so that one's not out yet. So obviously that one will be after all these. But it's just the way it's kind of in order. It says the Pumpkin Spice Calf, so I presume this is the order. But I'll have to look it up. So yeah, so that's those ones. I don't know if I mentioned, Asda have it, I think it's 2 for £7 on their books. This one I'm really excited. This is Spellbound, and it's got like Sleeping Beauty, although it says a wonderful imaginative retelling of Sleeping Beauty. So I'm really excited. Anything Disney I love, so I'm really excited to read that one. And then the next one I got was this one, which is Powerless. Again, I've heard really good things about this one. So I'm really excited to read that one as well. So yeah, I know this is a series as well, so I know there's more books in this series. I don't know. I don't know how many are in this one. Doesn't really state. Oh, you got Powerless, Reckless and Powerful. So yeah, so this is the first one. So I'm really excited to try that one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I hope you all have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.